Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new. Make sure that you subscribe before you leave, and that way you'll never miss out on another video. Every single Friday I do a free pick a card reading on my channel. Today's reading is all about what's gonna come in love in April. So it's an April 2019 love reading, and the first thing that we're gonna do before we start our reading is I want to burn some bay leaves for you guys. So the whole reason that you're here is love, and I want to just burn some bay leaves to send energy your way for positive energy, love, and happiness. And if you guys are interested, I do sell my own bay leaves, and I'll leave the link to my Etsy store down below, but these are charged under the energies of the full moon. Then I also have jewelry here. I have a few new pieces that you guys can find in my store as well. I want to tell you guys something super special. This bracelet right here actually has an Om Mani Padme Hum mantra charm, and the mantra is engraved in there, and it's known to bring so many blessings and good luck and prosperity and like infinite enlightenment into your life. And then we have rose quartz with hematite. It's very, very good for love. It also has a hamsa, and then we have amethyst, which is great for your mind and calming down anxious thoughts. And this also has a hamsa hand, and hamsa hand is a Middle Eastern amulet that brings luck and prosperity to the owner. Okay, so I want to go ahead and burn the bay leaves for you guys. Excuse my burning jar. I have sand in here and seashells and a crow's feather, and this is where I burn my incense, but today I'm going to be burning the bay leaves for you guys. Okay, so I'm just going to use scissors to hold my bay leaf because I'm not going to be using my fingers. You can use tweezers, that's the best thing, but I just can't find my tweezers. So the first one we're going to burn for you guys is positive energy. So with this reading, we want to invite positive energy, and I'm just going to let that burn and throw that in there. Next, I'm going to burn a bay leaf for happiness. We're inviting happiness in the month of April. And the last one that I'm going to be burning is, of course, for love. Okay, so now that that's done, let's go ahead and start our April 2019 reading. So what you're going to do is pick a card pile number 1, 2, 3, or 4, and whichever one you're drawn to, whichever one that calls out to you, go ahead and pick that one, and let's start the reading. So for everybody that picked card number 1, let's go ahead and see what is coming in love for the month of April. So we have surrender to complete healing. Open fully to the loving, compassionate forces of the universe that support your physical, emotional, and spiritual healing. Then we have time out, and then we have fogged in. What a beautiful set of cards, because the message is so clear here. What needs to happen in the month of April, what is actually going to happen, is you're going to find a closure to something that has been really bothering you for a long time. You're really going to find healing from a situation that was preventing you from embracing love. Whether you're in a relationship or you're single, there was an issue or past trauma or something that has happened that made you close off yourself and your heart to love. And in April, your heart's going to open back up to love again. Your heart chakra is going to be opening up and becoming more activated. And in the month of April, it's also going to be a time for you to just take a time out. It will be really good for your energy. It will create a lot of, how do I say it? It will open a lot of roads if you take a time out and take a breather in the month of April. So whether you're in a relationship or you're single, if you're single, take some time to yourself. It's really going to clear away energy that is blocking you from love. And if you're in a relationship, take a time out with the love of your life. Take a time out with your partner, because it's really going to open up so many opportunities of communication for you, so many opportunities to have fun. It's really going to be a great thing for both of your guys' energy to take a time out. And also take your time in April. Like things that might have been so hectic and chaotic that you haven't even thought about love, you haven't even paid attention to your relationship. So it's really a time in April for you to take a time out and go slow. Take things slowly, relax, and know and give yourself permission to just take things slowly. That way your energy can calm down and not be so frazzled. And when you're taking things slow, things are relaxed and your energy becomes relaxed, it's easier for love to come in. It's easier for you to see the love in your life already, and it's easier for the love to grow and enhance. So that was your quick reading for the month of April, everything about love in April. I hope that it resonated and got you really excited. If you want to book a further in detail reading with me, you guys can go do so on my Etsy store, and I'll leave that linked down below. Now, if you guys picked card number 2, let's go ahead and do your reading and see what is coming in the month of April for love in your life. So we have surrender to passion. Get out of your head and feel the fire in your belly. Focus on the people or activities that ignite your passion and let it flow. This is one of my favorite cards, energy field adjustment. So there needs to be an aura cleansing. There needs to be like an energy clearing type of ritual done, and we'll get right into that. And then we have first light, beginning a new cycle. Okay, so the message over here is pretty clear. Just like in the first set of cards, the message was pretty clear. So in the month of April, it's really saying for you to get in touch with your passion, with your creativity, really ignite, you know, the fire inside of yourself. Do something that allows you to feel like you just lost track of time. Get so lost in something that you lose track of time, because what you're doing is you're making the vibration of love 10 times stronger when you're doing this. And also, the reason that maybe lately you haven't felt so much love, either both self-love and love from someone else, is because you just need a little bit of energy clearing and a little bit of cleansing. So there's a lot of ways you could do this. I have a few videos on my channel on how you could cleanse and clear your energy. Something I like to do is burn sage. I love to burn incense to clear the energy. I love to take just a nice shower and just, you know, use a soap that has something natural in it, like mint or rosemary or some kind of natural herb in my soap. I feel like it's very cleansing. It's like one of the easiest ways you could cleanse yourself every single day. There's a lot of ways you could cleanse yourself, but definitely do a cleansing. Just, you know, release any kind of energy that is on you, around you, that doesn't belong there. And right after you do this, there's gonna be like a beginning of a new cycle. Now, if you are single, this means that there is going to be love coming into your life, and you're going to be able to see it. You're going to be able to feel it. You're going to allow yourself. You're going to give yourself permission to feel it. You won't be so scared. And to get that feeling, it would be really beneficial for you to like cleanse yourself and your energy. Because when this happens, when you cleanse yourself, whether you're in a relationship or you're not, you're going to be still inviting love in. Now, if you're in a relationship, you're going to be expanding and like making that love between both of you grow just with a little bit of cleansing. And that love is going to flourish, and communication is going to open, passion's going to ignite, and there's just going to be a lot of fun energy in April regarding love. And if you're single, then you might even have like an opportunity to meet somebody, and whoever you do meet in April, it's going to be very, very fun. And you know, something that you also need to do is just do a little bit of cleansing to get rid of any energy that's holding you back or creating walls. So as soon as you do that, you're going to begin like this new cycle of letting love in, and it's going to be very passionate, and it's going to ignite something inside of you where you just feel alive again. So April is an amazing month of love for you. So I hope that that resonated and got you excited for April. If you guys want to book a full reading with me, then go ahead and do so on my Etsy store, and I'll leave that link down below. Now, for everybody that picked card group number 3, let's go ahead and read what is coming in the month of April in your life regarding love. So we have surrender to non-action. Now is the time to be still and not act. Simply breathe and focus on your own power. Let others come to you. And then we have Lemuria returns, and this is a card of spirituality, of getting in tune with your intuition, your inner voice, really going inwards. And then we have reaching your destination. Your light is shining brightly. Okay, so in the month of April, regarding love, there's a lot of energy around you that's going to be very calm. Like, you're going to need to calm your energy in the month of April. especially regarding love. I feel like there's been a lot of just chaos and hecticness regarding love in your life lately, whether you're single or you're in a relationship. There's just been a little bit of hectic energy, and that's gonna really slow down in April. So what's gonna happen is that you're gonna get a chance, you're gonna get an opportunity to relax in April and just like take a breather, whether you're in a relationship or you're not. If you're single, it's gonna be a time for you to just take a breather, just with yourself, with some friends. And what you're doing is you're just relaxing the energy to invite that partner into your life, to invite the love into your life. And if you're in a relationship, it's really going to be a month where both of you just calm and relax your energy. You might even want to take a little getaway trip somewhere, like somewhere quiet in the woods, on the beach, just somewhere quiet and relaxing and like in nature, but really do something where you're not doing anything. And also in April, that's the kind of energy that will be coming into your life, is just, you know, to know that it's okay to not do anything sometimes. And that's kind of what you need. After all the few months that you've been having, it's kind of what you need. It's kind of what is needed to drop the walls that you have created for love. And really connect with the earth again, connect with your spirituality again. If you're in a relationship, this would be a really good time for you and your partner to do something spiritual together. So what I like to do with my boyfriend is we love to light candles, we like to light incense, we like to make jewelry. Like, we do a lot of spiritual, creative things together, and it really makes the bond so much more magical and stronger. So if you're in a relationship, do something creative together, and it's really going to enhance your relationship in the month of April. And you might even get an opportunity to do this. Like, if something might come to you, so some friends might be like, hey, we have tickets to this, you guys want to come? Or something will happen, something is going to come to you where it will allow you and your partner to really be creative and get in tune with both of your guys' spirituality. And also in the month of April, if you're single, this is a really good time for you to explore your spirituality even more. So is there anything that you have been super interested in that, you know, you didn't maybe have the time to look into it? In the month of April, you're going to have time to look into your spirituality. And the more and more you look into your own spirituality, the stronger and stronger that connection you're going to have with your partner or your soulmate, and you're just going to be pulling them in closer to you as you explore your spirituality more. And that's what's going to help you reach your destination, which is to feel not only self-love, but love from the outside too. So in the month of April also, the energy is very like, you reach a place, you're going to reach a place inside of yourself where you're going to feel a lot of self-love. And because of this self-love that you're going to feel inside, your reality is going to start to reflect it. So if you're in a relationship, your relationship is going to get even more loving, more passionate. And if you're single, you're just going to be pulling in your partner that much more faster, closer to your life. That's the whole energy of April. I hope that got you excited and ready for the month. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to book a reading with me, then you guys can go ahead and do so on my Etsy store. I'll leave the link down below. Now, if you guys picked card number 4, let's go ahead and see what's going on in April for love for you. Okay, so we have the Mystic Healer. Healing energy flows through you. And then we have Fertility, which is potential energy, powerful creative energy, and initiation energy. And then we have Surrender to Silence. In a quiet meditation or contemplation, let go and center the stillness within. Silence can heal and replenish you. So, in the month of April, there's going to be healing for you. A type of healing that you've never had before, that you've never felt before. You're going to be letting go of some kind of old trauma or hurt or baggage that has been weighing heavily on you. It's been weighing so much on you that you lost your passion for things, you lost your excitement for things that used to excite you, and you just lost a lot of your creative energy. And your lower 2 or 3 chakras might even be a little bit blocked because of that. And in the month of April, these chakras are going to start to get activated again. And you're also going to really feel this lessening of a burden on your shoulders and on your heart. That's the energy that's going to come in April. Now, if you are single, what this is going to do is help you heal these things that have been creating blocks in your life from letting love in. And so once this heals, once you feel the healing and you see the healing, you're not only going to feel and see it on the inside, but you're going to see it reflect in your life. You're going to see it reflect in the love that you receive and the love that you have for yourself. And if you're in a relationship, there might have been some hurts or betrayals or something that had happened in the past in your relationship. Could have been a recent argument, a recent fight, a disagreement that, you know, you both were still resentful of each other for, or didn't completely talk it out, or didn't completely, you know, come to a resolution. That's going to come to a resolution in April, and the communication is going to be so much stronger. And also, it's going to heal. Like, whatever resentment or tension there was between you both, that's really going to heal. And there might even be pregnancy that comes from it. And there's going to be a lot of just passion, and you guys might even start a project. Like, that's what the energy of April is healing and starting projects. You're going to start something, paint a picture. You're going to maybe start, if you guys live together, you might, you know, start a garden or something. But some kind of project that you will start with the person that you love. And if you're single, then some kind of project that you're definitely going to start with yourself. And this project is going to enhance and make your vibration so much higher that you're just going to pull in your partner even faster. So that's the reading for you for the month of April. I hope that got you excited. If you guys want to book a further in detail reading with me, go ahead and do so on my Etsy store. And if you guys want to purchase any of my jewelry or bay leaves, go ahead and do so. Oh, a lot of you have been asking for my cleansing sprays. I just restocked. So if you guys are interested, go ahead and visit my Etsy store. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.